So Andreas asked how to hook viewers' audience attention in the first second of a Faceless YouTube video to make them watch the complete video. So Andreas is not here, but what I would always do in your script and in the intro and the hook is integrate a leading question. So the question what your script is about. So let's say you have a listicle video, like a top 10 video with 10 listicles. I would always integrate like 3 of those most interesting listicles in your intro and say something about them that makes your audience curious and ask a question about it. So people are like, okay, I want to see this part of the video and the answer to that. And then you have to make sure that once you get to that part and you answer the question, that you ask a new question that keeps them watching and watching the next part of your listicle. So basically just the hook is like the question about the whole video. So in the start of this call, I said something about like the best beaches in Bali, for example, right? The top 10 best beaches in Bali. So in the hook, you can say something like, this is the most secret beach in the world that no one goes to, and it's the most beautiful, blah, blah, blah. So put a hook in there and make them curious. And then say something like 2 or 3 other beaches, like, but this one is special because of this reason. This one is special because this happened there. And this one is special because it has the best surf or something. So just ask questions, put questions in the viewers' their head in the intro and in the hook, and then slowly answer the questions, but ask new questions. And this way people want to like get the answer to the questions. That is the simple way of like hooking and making an intro and asking questions to keep people engaged throughout the video.